Welcome guys. Today I am here to tell you about top 4 sites for downloading free background images, which you can use for editing in Photoshop and become pro.
Yeah, boy.
So, the first site is Pexels, top site to download backgrounds as it is used by most of editors. Here you can get almost all types of backgrounds and can download in full HD quality for free. Second site, Unsplash.com. Here also you may get almost all type of backgrounds in HD quality. Third site is Pixabay, and it is same as Pexels and Unsplash. Fourth site is Wallpapercave.com. These all the 4 sites, links given in description, you can check it. Now download your backgrounds and start editing. Also don't forget to subscribe and make me happy.